Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimathy TV. In this video, I have a pretty cool one for you guys. We're going to be taking a look at the OMOTON VM01, which is a vacuum magnetic car phone holder. Of course, a big thank you and shout out to them for sending this out free for review. And when they did ask to send this out, I told them that I don't have a camera set up for my car, so the studio is here. I can't really demonstrate it that well. They said that is fine, just show it in the studio. So that is exactly what I'm going to do for you guys. I'm going to show you guys the product, review it, and I will let you guys know if it's worth it. It should solve a lot of the issues with car phone mounts. So first off, here is the main star of the show. This is a suction cup, but it also is magnetic around here if I'm not mistaken. So that is one of the bits of the secret sauce, if you will. Here is the mount itself. We've got a little kit here, as well as some instruction booklets. So let's go ahead, set this off to the side and get this set up. So here is the booklet in case you guys are curious. It's got the magnetic sucker, the vacuum suction cup, release button, bolt, nut, joint ball, hook adjust knob, and support ring. Very interesting here. So here's the install guide in case you guys lose your booklet. You might want to look at this. Looks very easy to do. Yeah, this looks super easy. And it looks like if you don't have a phone with MagSafe, you can use their included magnetic ring. But of course, we've got the iPhone 14 Pro in studio, so this should not be an issue. Right off the bat, oh no. Oh no. Oh man, that is crazy. Oh man. Okay, so that was not planned, but I basically just got this thing stuck to my phone on accident. But I'm gonna go ahead and set it up here as if it were in my car. So this can be adjusted like so, depending on how far in you need to go for your car vent. So that's pretty much all there is to it. You don't have to use the support ring if you don't want, but get it as long as you need, hook it into your car mount, and it's going to stay just like that inside of your mount. And of course, it's easy to take down, and you can screw it down to get it a little bit smaller. This length should be plenty for most cars. So once it's set up, it'll be like this, just sitting in your air vent. Take your phone every time you want to drive. It hooks itself up pretty much automatically, and it's going nowhere. If I really try to rip this off, look at this. The suction cup, I don't know if you guys can see, the suction cup is holding it in. I am pulling this off and it won't come off. So if you're on the road, you don't have to worry about anything. So this is when it's fully suctioned right here, but look, watch this. If I pull it, I can get the MagSafe part off, but that suction cup stays sucking and it does not come off. The only way to get it off is to use these release buttons right here, and then it comes off easily. They put together something that is perfect. This is great. So if you are an Uber driver or something and you have your phone sitting like this, obviously when you go over bumps and stuff, your phone can jiggle a little bit because of your car, but this, it's going nowhere. I'm gonna shake this pretty hard here. I don't want it to hit the camera, but let's see. I cannot get this thing to come off. So yeah, I am very confident that this will not come off in daily driving. I'm gonna say that this is probably the most suction I have ever seen on a car mount, and it's so easy to do. And to get it off, again, you just use these little quick release. This is awesome. The company that sent this out, they were very confident that we would enjoy it. And we don't review a lot of car mounts just because we can't show them in the car. But basically, this is just going to hook onto the back slat of your air vent, literally just like this. So you get it the exact length you want, and then it's good to go. It's actually very satisfying to hook this on here because it's not going anywhere. I've never seen anything like it. Very well done. This is probably my favorite car mount that I've seen. Of course, it doesn't charge your phone. Just keep that in mind. There's no charging here, but if you're gonna mount your phone in your car, I recommend not charging it anyway because the sun is already gonna be beating down on your phone, making it super hot. If you did need to use one of these magnetic rings, you just stick that on there. It's very easy. Wipe your phone down and just stick that on there. So yeah, this is a genius product. Check it out. Links to it down below. Big thank you and shout out to OMOTON for sending this out free for review. Perfect implementation of something that I think a lot of people are gonna enjoy. Thumbs up, subscribe, peace.